nandito na kami sa dressing room and we'll show you the boys.
What's happening?
So, break nila ngayon.
Okay.
And ito ang ginagawa nila pag nagbe-break sila. Barkadahan.
Basically, nakatayo lang.
Yeah, okay, lapit tayo.
Okay. Hello.
Hi.
Okay,
Over
so
there.
ito muna si Tristan.
Hi, Tristan!
Hi, Tristan. How are you?
Okay naman. Hello. Hello sa inyo.
Okay, guys, meron kami papagawang Kiligiti Challenge.
Later!
Mamaya. Pero sa ngayon, hello lang muna.
Hello muna.
Hello. Okay, ito na. Hi, Alan. Alan.
Hello po.
Ang
Okay,
swabing shy guy ng Caloocan.
Okay.
No?
Hi, Neil!
Ito naman si Neil Murillo.
Hello!
Okay.
Miko!
Ikaw ang design pop star ng Canada. Ford Valencia!
Ganyan sila mag-ready for the performance.
Yes. Okay, kamustahin natin ang ibang nandun. Asan pa ba?
Ayun yun si Hans.
Asan si Hans?
Over there.
Ang hirap pala ito na.
Hans?
Selfie.
Ayun, nagbabandahan na si Hans.
Ay, ito si James. Hi, James!
Hi.
This
Okay.
Facebook Live, Tony!
Ayan, Tony. Yes, there you go.
We're eating, guys. 15 minutes tayo.
Ayan si James. Okay. Marcos.
Marcos!
Okay. Yes.
Facebook Live, hi!
Tiptas
Okay.
Okay.
And Joe! He's eating, apparently. And Mark!
Si Mark, si Mark.
Belgian.
There you go.
Okay, so
Ang dami
guys,
nangyayari. Si Russell, Russell.
Russell! Where is Russell? There you go!
I'm wearing a headband and it's not very pretty right now.
Bakit ka naka-
Guys, English.
My hair is really long. No, he's bald. My hair is really long.
But later,
So-
are you gonna wear that, no?
Probably not.
Okay. So
Okay,
guys,
good luck, guys.
they have a 15-minute break lang ngayon. So hindi namin sila masyado. Kumakain po sila, gutom sila.
Pagod na sila, guys. Todo rehearsal para sa performance tonight.
Pero mamaya makikita niyo yung pinaghirapan naman nila. Oh!
Yay!
Alright, so ito na yun. This is their den. The lion's den.
All the boys, guys. All the boys.
And ganyan lang. Yun yung ginagawa nila sa kanilang dressing room. Okay? So, ngayon naman, dahil nga, malapit na mag-birthday si Judge Dara, ito, bibigay natin to kay Judge Dara dahil nanalo siya sa Finger Hearts Contest! Pero syempre, special na special. Lahat ng boys, papapirmahin natin dito. So, simulan na natin.
Okay, let's do this.
Hi boys, Joao! Okay, we are giving this to Judge Dara because it's her birthday.
Is it?
Yes. So
Guys, ang bango
please
niya.
sign it.
Okay, pirma.
Okay.
There you go.
There you go.
Wherever.
Signing it.
Sandara, no?
Uh-huh.
That's it? Just a signature?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks, Joel.
Thank you.
Sandara.
Yay! Alright, next.
Alan.
Alan. Hi.
Sign.
Mag-birthday na si Judge Dara, so we're going to give this to her. Okay. So, sign it lang.
Cute nung mic.
This is the Kiligiti mic.
Wait lang po. Matay.
Thanks, Alan.
Ford, you're next.
Happy birthday, Judge Dara!
Yay!
Okay, next. Thank you. Hi,
That's for Judge
Ford.
Dara.
Mag-birthday si Judge Dara. Any message?
Yun po, wish ko po sa inyo, sana po lagi po kayong masaya. Yun, happy birthday.
Okay, sige, sign lang tayo. Ayun si Fordo. Yay! Thank you.
Yeah, thank you po.
Alright, next. James, please sign it for Judge Dara. It's her birthday.
It's a birthday?
Nasulatan na ako. Okay, go ahead, sign it. There you go. Look at James and his brown eyes, guys. Okay. Sino pa? Russell! Asan si Russell? Ay, medyo mahirap pala to, guys, no? Okay.
That's for Judge Dara. There you go. Marcos.
Ayun si Mark. may masamang balak si Marcos.
Si Marcos, guys.
Okay.
0917.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Sino pa ang hindi nakaka-sign? Si Neil. Neil! Magba-birthday si Judge Dara, so bibigay natin to sa kanya. Tapos, sign ka ha, okay?
Nanalo kasi sa Finger Hearts Contest.
Oo, nanalo rin siya sa Finger Hearts Contest. Yay! Thank you, Neil! Okay, ito si Hens. Nakapag-sign na ba si Hens? Hens! Sign the
For Judge Dara.
the neck pillow.
Yes.
Yes. Hindi ito yung pang-sign, Hens. Mic ito.
Okay?
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you, Hans.
Woohoo! Thanks, Hens. Sino pa ang hindi nakaka-sign? Sino pa ba? Complete na ba? Parang hindi pa. Si Miko!
Ayan, hindi ka nagsasalita forever. Oh, sumasayaw siya, guys.
Okay.
Guys, kulay pink siya in real life. Like light pink.
Oo nga, no? Against the light lang siya eh. Oh. There you go.
Thank you, Miko.
Who else? Si Tony. But, wala siya dito. Guys, si Happy Pete. This is Happy Pete. Hi! Hi, Happy Pete!
Yun yung boss namin, guys.
Oo nga eh. Wait, asan na si Tony? Tony is missing, guys. Where is Tony? Nasa labas. Lalabasin ba natin? Okay. Ito sila. Guys, sorry. Facebook Live. We're just gonna ask you to sign. Sign lang.
Tony, that is for Judge Dara.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, because she won the Finger Hearts contest.
Okay, thanks.
Love you, Dara.
Yes! Okay, next naman si Mark.
Hello.
You know.
Sign?
Guys, tingnan nyo kumakain talaga sila. Ini-storbo natin sila. We're so sorry.
15 minutes kami break na lang.
Okay. Tristan!
Talaga ng mga ano nyo.
Okay, thank
Yes,
you.
pajama.
Good luck, guys.
Good luck, guys! Ayun na. So, kumpleto na ba? Bilangin natin ang mga signature. Sige, ikaw. Medyo mahirap pala, no? Pero I think kumpleto na ang ating top 12.
This is Ali, our recruit.
Look, meron din siyang crown. Oh, there you go. Hi!
This is Happy Pete.
Yes. Our executive producer who looks like Atom Aurelio.
Our super baby. That's our super baby.
Super saya talaga ng atmosphere dito sa boys room. And sana talaga ay nasayahan kayo sa aming coverage ng kanilang pagpe-prepare for the live shows. Pero guys, abangan nyo ang Kiligiti Challenge namin for them. So every time
Ano
na...
sinabi natin na Kiligiti Challenge ay
Eto, they will have to flirt with the camera for 10 seconds. So 10 seconds, it's all them.
This is for you
working it.
girls.
So simulan na ba natin ang ating Kiligiti Challenge? Okay. So unahin natin ang hindi kumakain. Ay, wait lang. May ginagawa si Ford. Para may video greet siya. Dito, ito, wala silang ginagawa. Okay. Hi, Miko. So,
Flirt with the camera for 10 seconds.
ito ang Kiligiti Challenge natin, okay? Neil, makinig ka na rin. So hindi, pinigisa kayo. Ang Kiligiti Challenge natin is, you have to flirt with the camera for 10 seconds. Ito ang camera, okay? Hindi, isa-isa. Miko, you first, okay? You hold it. Ikaw na maghawak.
Ikaw muna. Paano ba?
Nahihiya po sila. Okay, ikaw maghawak, Miko.
3,
Bibilangan ka namin, okay?
1, 2, 3. Galingan mo. 1, 2, 3, go.
Go. Isa pa. First time kasi. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. 10.
Pakyut or pakyut
Oh,
or-
flirt with the camera.
1, 2, 3, go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, there you have it.
Ganyan ka ba magpa-cute sa girls? Okay, Neil. Okay, galingan mo, Neil. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 8. Okay, next one, sport.
1, 2, 3, go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Zero.
Okay, James. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Marcos.
4, 3, 2, 1. Marcos.
There's a flirting thing?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Russell.
2, 1. Russell.
With the camera.
10.
What?
Flirt with the camera.
Lick it.
Flirt with the camera for 10 seconds. 10, si Russell talaga. Okay. Wow, ito I think, sanay na sanay. You have to flirt with the camera for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, go! 10, 9, 8, 7, close up, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright! Thanks! Sabi sa inyo, expert siya eh. Si Alan naman. Okay, mga Alan fans, get ready. Hold the camera. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Okay. Okay, so girls, kaya nyo pa ba? Hinga pa muna, okay?
Kinain niyo ba yun? Meron pa?
Okay. Lalabasin naman natin yung mga nasa labas. Kaso kumakain pa rin talaga sila. Okay.
Kumakain pa yung mga denim boys.
The Denim Boys.
Okay.
So mamaya makikita natin ang kanilang kiligili challenge. Pero sana ay masayang-masaya kayo sa mga nakagawa na. I think ako masaya ako, guys.
What do you think?
What do you
That
think?
of the hair, guys.
By the way, guys, kung meron kayong suggestions para sa ating, uy, wait lang, may ginagawa siya dun, oh. Kung may suggestions kayo ng Kiligiti Challenge for them, don't worry, guys. I-suggest nyo lang and we will hear them out. We'll see what they can do, okay?
This is our super baby and Adel.
Super baby! Hi, Adel! Home Sweetie Home!
Siya yung
later.
baby ni Tony and ni John Lloyd sa Home Sweetie. Yay! There.
Super duper cute. Lahat sila nandito. Oh, diba? Meron pa tayong 4. So, the Denim Boys and Hens daw ay wala pang Kiligiti Challenge. So, aabangan natin sila.
pagawa? Pasayawin natin sila. Sayaw, guys. Sayaw.
Hindi, nag-rehearse sila eh. Sige, mag-rehearse lang kayo dyan.
Ganda.
Ay, tayo meron. Sige.
Joao and Marcos.
What's up doing?
Dumadami po. There you go. Ganyan po sila mag-rehearse. Alright. So, hinihintay pa po natin ang mga kumakain.
May pagganap.
Meron pa rin silang ginagawa dyan, oo.
Sayang against the light, Ai.
Oo nga eh. Pero wala tayong magagawa doon. Okay. Alright. So, ito na sila. Okay, I think they are ready for the Kiligiti Challenge. So, habang naghihintay tayo, panoorin muna natin ang mga boys dito. Ito na si Tony. Ayun na si Tony.
lang siya?
Pero, maghuhugas lang ng ng kamay. Dahil nga kakain pa lang, guys. Oh. So, ito, nag-repair sila. Oh, Neil and Joao. They're teaching each other some moves. We don't know what, but it looks good. Narinig niyo ba yun?
Guys, nagpa-practice na sila. There you have it. Ito na yung mapapanood nyo tonight, guys, sa live shows.
Yes, pero with more costume, with more coordination.
With more feelings.
Oh, diba?
Ayan, ready na ata si Tony.
Okay.
Yes, okay, there you have, okay.
So, Tony, our Kiligiti challenge for today is you have to flirt with the camera for 10 seconds. So, you have to hold the selfie
it and then
stick.
we'll count.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! 10!
How do I flirt?
That's your call. 10, 9,
Google ka ba? Kasi lahat ng hinahanap ko nasa iyo. I love you girls, vote for me. Love you, love you, love you, love you.
There you go. Thank you, Tony. And we have Mark and Trista naman. So,
Flirt with the camera for 10
yes,
seconds.
Kiligiti challenge natin.
Okay, ito nga ngayon. It's vlog. Mag-iikot tayo ngayon dito. Yan na, oh. Hey! Hi!
Yun! Okay, bawi ka doon. Okay.
May isa pa.
Si Mark. Ito si Mark. You have to flirt with the camera for 10 seconds. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
What's up, ladies? Kamusta kayo?
7, 6, 5,
Ha, ha, ha.
3, 2, 1.
I don't know how to flirt.
Flirt, guys.
Paano ba kasi yun?
Hindi, may ginagawa silang medyo facial reaction sila sa camera. Okay, next time. Next Kiligiti challenge. Okay, so there you have it. The top 12 doing our Kiligiti challenge. Yay! So bukas abangan nyo kung anong Kiligiti challenge natin. Pero may hands pa tayo. tayo. 11 pa lang. Yes, okay. So, labasin na natin si Hens. Asa na si Hens? Asa na si Hens? Okay. Puntahan natin si Hens. Kiligiti challenge. Flirt with the camera for 10 seconds. Okay? You have to hold the selfie stick. Okay. Dito tayo. What's flirt daw?
Are you scared?
Yeah. Okay. Do your thing. Hold the camera. And then 10 seconds.
Stare at it? Do I stare at it?
You flirt with it for 10 seconds. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you guys. Okay, you can go back to your food.
Okay.
Inistorbo natin siya, guys. Okay, yun na top 12 na talaga. Everyone was staring, yes.
Guys, they're dancing.
So, there you go. Ay,
dancing.
kailangan nila yung space. So, dito tayo. Okay.
So they're dancing.
Wait lang.
No.
Parang nababurn tayo dyan. Okay.
Okay? Guys, sino sa kanila yung gusto nyo pang makausap? Let us know.
Oh, yes.
Tweet us and... It's Tristan over there.
Pakita lang natin ang overview ng
Ay, dun tayo
dressing
sa
room.
kabilang side, para may light.
Okay, dun tayo sa kabila. So, we're gonna move. We're moving. Wait lang, guys. Ayan. Kaso, nakatalikod naman sila dito, oh. Nakatalikod naman sila dito. Ang saya-saya nung nakatalikod
Harap
sila.
si Mark.
Okay, medyo...
Sunod tayo.
Okay. So, ayun na yung rehearsal.
Sumasaya sila. Look at them. Marcos, Joao, Ford, and Mark.
Talagang puspusan ang kanilang pag-e-ensayo.
There you have it.
Sana talaga ay gamitin natin ang hashtag natin for tonight.
Wala siya talagang pores.
Hello po.
Alan, ano yung secret mo? Bakit wala kang pores?
Ano po?
Nagpapawis ka ba sa mata?
Hindi po. Ano lang, maligo lang po araw-araw.
Ay!
Napakagandang
Sabi mo ba
tip
hindi kami
nun.
naligo?
Pero ayan na, we are gonna leave you guys with this view na nagpa-practice po sila. Let's not forget to use our hashtag for tonight, hashtag BoybandPH Live. And 6:30 p.m. abangan nyo ang ating Pinoy Boy Band Superstar Online Show! Yes, with your supergirls, Ai
And Iya.
6:30 p.m. sa boyband.ph. And of course, for the full experience, manood tayo sa TV, 7:15 p.m. for the first ever Pinoy Boy Band Superstar live shows.
See you guys! Have fun!